Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of simple woodworking projects ideas that make your home feel expensive. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Thoughtful, easy, and simple wood projects that look expensive but cost almost nothing begin with a powerful shift in perspective. The realization that beauty in woodworking is rarely determined by the price of the material, but by the creativity and intention applied to it. Many people assume that luxurious wooden decor must be crafted from rare hardwoods or expensive boards purchased from specialty suppliers. Yet some of the most elegant pieces found in modern homes begin as humble scraps, reclaimed boards, or inexpensive planks. The secret lies not in the cost of the wood, but in how carefully the craftsperson studies its natural character and designs around it. Every piece of wood, no matter how small or ordinary it may appear, contains subtle variations in grain, tone, and texture that can be highlighted through thoughtful craftsmanship. When these natural qualities are allowed to take center stage, even the simplest project can feel sophisticated and refined. A plain wooden plank, for example, can become a striking floating shelf simply by smoothing its surface, refining its edges, and applying a natural finish that deepens the color of the grain. What began as an inexpensive material suddenly carries the quiet elegance of something that appears custom-made for the space. One of the most satisfying aspects of creating low-cost wood projects that look expensive is the process of discovering the hidden beauty within the material itself. Wood has a natural complexity that often reveals itself gradually as it is shaped and finished. At first glance, a board may appear dull or unremarkable, but once it is sanded and treated with oil or wax, the grain patterns begin to emerge like subtle artwork beneath the surface. Lines that once looked faint become rich and flowing, colors deepen into warm tones, and the wood develops a gentle glow that gives it a sense of depth. This transformation is where the magic of woodworking truly happens. Instead of covering the wood with heavy paint or decorative elements, thoughtful makers often choose to highlight its natural qualities. By allowing the material to speak for itself, they create pieces that feel authentic and timeless. In modern homes, where minimalism and natural textures are increasingly appreciated, such pieces can become focal points that add warmth and personality to otherwise simple interiors. Another key element that allows inexpensive wood projects to look luxurious is attention to proportion and simplicity. Expensive design often appears elegant not because it is complicated, but because it is carefully balanced. When a woodworker focuses on clean lines and harmonious shapes, the finished piece naturally feels more refined. A simple wooden wall ledge, for instance, can look like a designer installation if its thickness, length, and placement are thoughtfully considered. Similarly, a basic wooden tray or decorative board can appear upscale when its edges are softened slightly and its surface is finished smoothly. These subtle design choices communicate intention and craftsmanship. They show that the object was created with care rather than assembled hastily. In many ways, simplicity becomes the greatest advantage for makers working with limited budgets, because it allows the beauty of the wood and the precision of the craftsmanship to stand out without distraction. Working with inexpensive or reclaimed wood also encourages creativity because the maker must adapt to the material rather than forcing it into rigid plans. This flexibility often leads to unexpected discoveries that enrich the final design. A small knot in the wood, for example, might initially seem like a flaw, yet when positioned thoughtfully within a project, it can become a focal detail that adds character. Slight variations in color between different boards can create subtle contrast that gives the piece visual depth. Instead of hiding these natural irregularities, skilled woodworkers learn to embrace them as part of the story that the wood tells. This approach aligns beautifully with contemporary interior design trends that celebrate authenticity and individuality. Homeowners today often seek decor that feels personal and meaningful rather than perfectly uniform. A handmade wooden object crafted from humble materials carries a sense of uniqueness that mass-produced items rarely achieve. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. The atmosphere of a home can change dramatically when natural wood elements are introduced thoughtfully. Modern living spaces often feature neutral color palettes, smooth surfaces, and minimal decoration. While these qualities create a sense of calm and openness, they can sometimes feel sterile without the presence of organic materials. Wood has a remarkable ability to soften such environments because its textures and warm tones provide contrast against metal, glass, or painted surfaces. Even a small handcrafted wooden object can bring a sense of balance and comfort into a room. A simple wooden wall accent, a handcrafted shelf, or a sculptural wooden decor piece can add depth to an interior by introducing a natural element that feels grounded and authentic. When these items are designed with care, they appear far more valuable than their modest material cost might suggest. Finishing techniques play a crucial role in elevating simple wood projects to a level that feels luxurious. Sanding the wood thoroughly until it feels smooth to the touch prepares the surface to reflect light evenly. Applying natural oils or waxes enhances the grain while protecting the wood from wear. These finishes also deepen the natural colors of the timber, creating a rich appearance that resembles high-end furniture. The transformation is often dramatic. A pale board can develop warm golden tones, while darker woods reveal intricate patterns that were previously hidden. Because these finishes penetrate the wood rather than forming a thick layer on top, they maintain the natural texture of the surface. The result is a piece that feels both refined and authentic, combining visual beauty with tactile appeal. Another reason simple wood projects can look expensive is the sense of craftsmanship they convey. When people encounter a handmade wooden object, they often appreciate the skill and time invested in its creation. Small details such as carefully rounded edges, symmetrical proportions, and smooth surfaces communicate that the maker paid attention to every stage of the process. This attention to detail transforms an inexpensive piece of wood into something that feels intentional and thoughtfully designed. In many cases, the perceived value of handmade decor comes not from the raw materials, but from the visible evidence of human effort and creativity. Buyers and homeowners alike are drawn to objects that carry the sense of authenticity because they stand in contrast to the uniformity of factory-made products. Creating wood projects that appear expensive while costing very little also opens the door to practical opportunities for creative income. Ultimately, the true beauty of these projects lies in their ability to reveal the extraordinary within the ordinary. Woodworking becomes a process of discovery in which the maker gradually uncovers the natural artistry hidden within each piece of timber. Through patience, observation, and creativity, simple materials evolve into objects that enhance the atmosphere of a home. These creations remind us that elegance does not always require extravagance. Sometimes it emerges from the quiet harmony between natural materials and thoughtful design. When wood is treated with respect and imagination, even the most affordable project can radiate the warmth, character, and sophistication that make a living space feel truly inviting. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple woodworking projects ideas that make your home feel expensive. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.